Let me show you guys the vibes.
Heaven to me, to have you so far across the sea, to have you there. We're gonna live together.
Hello,
Hi.
I'm vlogging,
Alright.
if that's okay.
So black question, rum punch.
The passion one
Black question.
for you. So I'm at a all you can drink cocktail party, and this is what they have. Guys, I just had to climb the heels I just had to climb the hill in my heels. That's why I'm breathless and I'm very unfit. So please bear with me. Let me show you guys the vibes.
The sea, to have you there on that dreamland would be like heaven to me. To have you around.
Glad I'm afraid. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
When you get on me, with water falling and the glory falling, we're gonna live together. And
Vibes.
just you wait and see.
This one just because. Cheers.
What is doing? What all turns in hand? Funny how this life can be deceiving. More than just a couple of times. Why do we fall in love so easy? Even when we know it's not right. Where there is desire, there's bound to be a place. Biology, untitled, but I do know that I love you. Yet I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be. I don't know much about geography. I don't know much trigonometry. I don't know much about algebra. I don't know what a slide rule is for. Yet if this one could be the end, then I would still be scared. But the good thing is there, you gotta let your faith. How we died in the courtyard, some dance to remember,
Really know
some dance to forget.
One more.
Thank you so much. Here's one more, please.
Please bring me my
guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually at Strawberry Hill and we're having a all-you-can-drink cocktail party, and it started from 5 o'clock until 6 p.m. and my drink literally just arrived. And what am I sipping tonight?
Black passion.
We're sipping the black passion tonight. Okay, what else do we have on the menu?
We have a rum punch.
Rum punch,
gin, vodka, sparkling wine, white wine, red wine, natural juice.
Right. You understand? So it's vibes in this, vibes in this. So behind of me you have the entire view of Kingston and St. Andrew, and we can also see a little bit of Portmore, but there's quite a lot of fog, so you guys won't see clearly. But if I have the time, I'll show you guys a clip in the morning. But this is my outfit. Let me show you guys. I've got this top on. I got this top from AliExpress. I'm gonna be putting my vendor list on sale shortly. And then I got this skirt from Pretty Little Thing. I probably got it about 2 years ago, but this is my first time wearing it. And I'm also wearing these heels from Zara. You guys know that these are the most comfortable heels ever. And we have some homemade plant chips. These are the natural ones, like proper homemade. Look, lady I sing. Ready? You wanna go to the library? Yeah, let's go. So you are managing the camera, yeah? Balance you out. So me pick and see. We can take our time counting.
Wear your all night. It's kind of dark, but
at the vibes, so.
Yes.
Hey guys, good night. I'm just entering the vlog again. Hi, my name is Jaydah. If this is your first time here, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm a bit tipsy. I've been sipping on some, I don't even know, but it's champagne and a bit of rum. We're actually at Strawberry Hill Hotel. I checked in and we've extended our stay because they've got a cocktail party, which is actually 25 US per person, and you get all you can drink. And we also got complimentary plantain chips, and it's a bit spicy and saucy, so it was literally perfect going down with these drinks. Show you guys a little bit of a tour as to what our view is at the moment. We're seeing the entire Kingston and St. Andrew, and we're also seeing a little bit of Portmore. So if you just look carefully, you may just be able to see the toll road. So at Strawberry Hill, they actually have a hotel, they have a restaurant, and they have a bar. We dined at the restaurant and we were really impressed, so we thought that we would book a room. I booked the room and then I was impressed again, so I thought I would extend my stay. So I've extended my stay, and now I'm currently just enjoying the space. Sorry guys, I'm a bit tipsy, so my tongue is a bit tired. But here we're gonna go into the library, and I'm just gonna show you guys what it's all about. This is actually my first time coming into the library because I wanted to share the experience with you guys as well. So there are a lot of picture frames. Strawberry Hill Hotel gives me a very rustic vibe. It's very untouched, very much. It's still luxurious, but it's an untouched vibe. Like, the staff is very much accommodating. Everyone goes above and beyond to make sure that you have an excellent stay, and that's one thing that I would highly recommend with this hotel. We have a bit of a hiccup when we were at checkout, but I'm going to talk to you guys about that in another vlog. But let's just enjoy the library for now.
Oh, okay, that be one there.
I just vibes negative.
Oh.
Let me see what's on.
Alright, girl. Alright. Look and say this is not the way you know the body, way you know. Again. Oh my god, this look.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I think the library goes around this corner. You show my handbag outside?
Yeah.
I feel safe. Don't rob me. Strawberry. Oh! A strawberry in my day. Okay, I'm still in the bathroom. The bathroom has a little vibe. It's a little vibe. It's a give it that proper artsy feel. Like Jamaica, untouched type of rural, you know, but not rural, luxurious type of vibe.
And I say, okay, this is regular store, and tomorrow we go to the spa.
Yeah, tomorrow we go to the spa.
You know, I do good.
We're not hungry, we can't.
Shrimp BBC News. I can't get away from that, right? Anyway, guys, you guys have to come here to see. It's like, no?
Hey vlog. I just have to use the toilet.
You can't stop it now.
Yeah. You wanna go to the record store? These are all gifts, they said.
Oh, gifts? I
Yeah,
thought
don't
these-
buy them, it's gifts.
The things are them.
No, it's gifts.
Okay. So about Empress Bob.
Yeah.
What is it?
May his soul rest in peace. Said all of this didn't exist, it was just upstairs, just the restaurant bit
Oh.
and the bar. So we just come up here and play and get inspiration, and that was it. And then the new owner now saw it and saw the vision, and then he made the rooms and invested and extended everything. This is nice for a boardroom though, for a meeting room.
Exactly. There are vibes, eh?
Papa.
Vibe. Yeah, when they come in here, so everybody's supposed to. Oh. Yeah. Jamaica.
You need food on me. See me, I hold my vibe. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, I'm good. Guys, we need to fry up. Guys, we nearly did not show up. We nearly did not show up. But see me back again.
Yeah, lie you don't tell. Lie you don't tell. You can't kill me.
Can't kill me. Not knife me a cat. No man, the nature.
Let me see your Kingston.
Mm-hmm.
You want to drink some? Give me that remote. Let me give it. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what do you drink? Can't forward, brother.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
There's the light.
You fine?
So you can see to come off.
You want to come in my cup?
No, maybe she will, but I'm not. I'm good.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome. Have a good night.
Remember your camera. Come back on.
On? Pass it. Wait there. Okay. Where are you? Bob?
So beautiful.
Hello. Before you close off, can we have something to take to the room?
Sure.
Is that okay?
Thank you so much for listening.
Same thing that we was drinking, yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Woo! Woo! You rock!
Thank you very much.
No, your papa. She's lit. And I'm lit. And Sheldon's lit. Everybody lit. I'm buzzing. I'm buzzing. What's the bar saying? Vibes? Who's selecting? Who's playing music at the bar? You?
No, man, you're not. It's
CD?
iPad music.
Okay. Play some reggae. Let me come scan 2 times. This is so romantic with all the candlelight. This is a nice place to work, isn't it, Sheldon?
Yeah.
You like it, yeah?
Love it, yeah.
I would love it. It's so calm. It's like you're not even working, you're just chilling. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we want to take it to the room. We should take it?
Sure, you can. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go get her.